Good morning, dear crafters, and from Sweden here. I was thinking I'm going to make a flip through of my spring Easter journal, and you have been with me along when I have created. You have a free kit, and I do it very simple with this binding. And I have made, I'll show you, some pouch here, and some small tags, and one big here with the bouquet. I love it. You can have it on both sides. And a small chicken. So it's plain over here as well. And here are the actually journal. With pocket here. And here we have my spring tags I made. And here we have an envelope we played with a card. Flip out a small pocket there, a long tags, a small little picture from Daphne's. And some lace here, and here we have those tags are from Canva. I really don't know if I like them or not. You see, they are really, the angle are different. Yep. And here we have a pocket. Yep. And here's two small pockets. And here we have a book page. We have decorated. You know, it's easy. You can put it in a pocket, or you can have it here. So make it a little bit so we can see. Yeah. And a little clip over here. Oh. So it's a heart. You see, it's nice. And here we have a tuck spot. with different binding on top of it. And here we have an envelope. I haven't glued it on because I wanted to have it loosely, and here a little small tags. Needed different. It's Canva. So it's the same theme as in the other journal. So, and here we have a lady and a big tag with stripes. It's yellow too, so I think it's could be with the journal. And a book page. Easy one. And here we have tags. And here is a, you see, you just decorate it, have it as a pocket. So, and some tags over here. So, it's a little bit tight. So, and here at the last page with 3-fold. Big tag over here. I have not glued it on this side. Some journal card, small one. And we put this one over here. We do like this. So, I am pleased with it. So, and here we have, you see how it turns out. I like it very, very much. I think it's beautiful. So, and the cover is reusable when you do like this. It's a traveler's notebook style. And we are going to make a bow over here. And I keep it loose, the binding. If you want to have another bow. So, thank you for watching. So, see you soon. Bye.